Setting up your inspection services, and we also have coupons. If you want to use coupons, you don't have to. But here is my inspection service and coupons page. My inspection services are here. My coupons are here. Let me show you what it looks like. I can do commercial property inspections, full home inspections, mold, anything you want. I have a pool inspection template from Spectora, and you can add a service if you wanted to. Everything is customizable, even the prices. And let me show you what it looks like. This is the service name. This is the fee. This is the template. So you select a template. I have many templates in my account. Service icon or emoji. I can change the color if I wanted to. Estimated time to complete. You want to put that in so that your inspection scheduler and your dashboard handles and manages really well. You don't want to overload one inspector with jobs that conflict. So you have to estimate your time. Again, it's just an estimate. The scheduling system wants to know where to put these jobs and help you figure out the time in between. And we have a Google Maps and a Apple Maps to figure out the distance, especially to your first job. And then there's a coupon code. So for each inspection service, you can have special coupons just for that service. We also have a library of services that are global. So any service can get this. You can apply any coupon to any service if you wanted to, and you can add a coupon for this particular service if you wanted to. And then under the services, inspection service, each report has settings. So what do you want the full report to look like? What do you want it to include? Like a cover photo, those are really nice. You want to put in all of your photos, your property information, your illustrations, and then these severity levels, that's the categorization of the comments. So I have, and it's totally customizable, and you don't have to have them in there at all. But I have informational, observation, minor, major, material defects, and then there's the summary report as well. And all of these things, everything that you're looking at is totally customizable. So it comes with a basic startup, and then you can customize anything you want in relation to services and coupons. And here's the library, the global library. So you can add any kind of coupon you wanted to. If you want to, type in a code like save 100%. You can save a fixed number or 100%, and that's 100% off. And that's going to be an amazing free inspection coupon, right? And so there you go. So careful with that coupon. And again, everything is customizable. You can upload your services. So you can add all that stuff, a new service. You can import a new service, and there's the InterNACHI warranty. You can cover that. Oh, and we've got that recall protection service as well. So you can put your report into InterNACHI recall protection, and it does that recall protection service to look for recalls of any appliance that you found during your inspection. So that's a service that's included with the InterNACHI inspection software.